Hello everyone, this is Subodh from EV Dunia. We are at the second India Auto Show, and right now I have with me Mr. Darsh Bheda, who's the CMO of Toroid Cycles. Hi Darsh, welcome to this thing. Uh, Darsh, as you can see, Toroid has different electric bicycles, and thus I would like to tell our viewers about your different bicycles. So for that, I have a few questions for you. Can you please answer those to help our audience understand what your different products are? So to start with, can you tell us a bit about Toroid? So how did it come into existence? I mean, how did you come up with this idea, and when did you start exactly?
So basically, Toroid was started right after our college. Okay, we are engineering graduates. My background is mechanical engineer. Okay, so after engineering, we had an idea to get into the EV segment, and one of the most like daunting and the most new EV segment is the electric cycles itself. So that's where it started off. So for around you can say around 8 months, we got into the manufacturing side of the the mechanical parts, the frames and everything. First we manufactured them. Okay, then found out whatever the problems that we faced first. Okay, and then we came up with our first product, which was called as Toroid, which was launched in August 2019. Okay, that product was assembled and made it over in India, but there were some parts which were imported from China and other countries. So that was our first product, and we had a run for the same till the lockdown itself. But we had a really good sale of that product. Our main goal with that product was to understand what are the problems that the customer faces with the electric cycle. Okay, and then the second product that we had in mind was Rudra. So this is the product, and the lockdown we thought about this product, and that's where the idea for Rudra morphed into our heads, where with the problems that customers face with Toroid and the other problems that the customer face while commuting with EVs, that's where this product comes in.
Awesome, thanks for that, Darsh. So now you've told us about your second product, that is Rudra. Can you tell us about the different features of this bicycle? It's a really cool looking bicycle, by the way. And what is its USP?
So basically, this is this is one of the basic models of Rudra. Okay, and this has really basic features. It is equipped with a horn headlight, which you really need like while traveling at night. It is equipped with a good suspension, which is a 80 to 120 travel, okay, which you need on Indian roads. Also with dual electric cut-off brakes. So basically, when you press this brakes and give it an axle, there will be a temporary cut-off for that's a safety feature. Apart from that, there's the accelerator. This is the battery indicator. It shows the accurate battery indicator, how much battery is left. Okay, and it is equipped with a pedal assist mode. All of it is it's the most basic cycle, and it is made for commuting basically. So if you want to know the USP of this product, would be its battery pack. Okay, it's a 20 massive battery pack. It gives you a range of around 70 to 100 kilometer in one charge, and this is why I'm talking about the real conditions, not some hypothetical conditions. Like so, in the traffic conditions, assuming you take around 5 slopes in a day, that's where this product works really well. Like that's its USP, the range.
Excellent. So 70 to 100 kilometers is a quite a decent range, and I mean it really solves the problems of day-to-day commute of people like us. So now coming to the battery, how can one charge the battery of this bicycle?
So to charge the battery, you do not have to do much of it because the battery is a removable battery itself. If I can show a demo, I'll just give you a demo of it. Yeah, just hold this.
Yeah.
So the battery is usually equipped with a lock. Okay. So put the key and unlock the battery. Just remove the battery. And then
Okay, so that's
from here you can charge it up. The 20 battery comes with a 5 ampere charger, so it takes around 4.5 hours to 5 hours to charge.
okay.
Complete.
That's quite decent. So I mean, overnight, if someone puts it for charging, it will be charged by mornings. So that's really great. and given it charges on 5 ampere charger. Uh, so it's quite convenient for everyone. So now coming to where all you sell your cycles now, in which all regions are your bicycles available, and how can an individual, suppose if someone is interested, how can they buy your bicycle?
So we basically ship all over India. Okay, this is meant for all of our Indians. Okay, so if anyone wants to purchase it, he can purchase it through our website. They have to just pay a booking amount of 2,000 rupees for booking it right now, and the remaining amount has to be paid at the time of dispatch. Okay, we provide proper tracking details to the customer in case they want to track the products and everything. That's one way to do it. The another way to do it is through our dealers. We have dealers placed in few parts of India. We have dealers in Bangalore, Mumbai, in Odisha, in Gwalior, and we have it in Patna and Madhubani, small cities there. Okay, we have one dealer near Hyderabad. Okay, so there are various dealers in various parts of the country, so they can also order it through them.
Yeah, so that's great, Darsh. Are there any new upcoming dealers? So in some different cities of say Maharashtra or other states in India.
Yes, there are actually various dealers coming up in various cities and states. Okay, so one is near Hyderabad. It's in a small city near Hyderabad. That's a two-tier city over there. One is in Nashik. Then we are also into talks with a franchisee in Kolkata. Okay, so there will be few dealers and few more you can say franchises coming up in the coming months. So that can also help the customers over there.
So that's really good to know. Now, talking about your future plans, so what are your plans for the near future? Are there any new products lined up that you'd like to share right now?
Sure. So one of the most recent product that's coming up, it's the Pro version of this one. That's called as Rudra Pro. Okay. So what will it have is that it will have a multi-level LCD display. So what you can do through that is it will show you the speed, the battery indicator, the kilometers, odometer, trip meter, and also it will have 5 level of pedal assist. Okay, that's one upgrade, and along with that there will be upgrade in the gear system as well. This is a single speed cycle right here, but that will be a 7-speed like that. So customers, they will have that upgrade. Also, we are planning to upgrade the battery packs even further. So let's see if we hope that works. We have our own battery casing and everything, and manufacturing and prototyping. We are working with 2 colleges in Mumbai right now to get our new battery packs ready, so that we can give a higher range, so that we can actually accurately solve the commute problems. That's why. So let's see. Currently, we have just tied up with the Indian charger manufacturer, and he has given us the 5 ampere chargers, and they are working wonderfully. So we are also trying out to get even the fast chargers on road, so that we can also even reduce the time even further. So,
Awesome. Thanks for the information, Darsh. So as you can see, the bicycle is really cool and it solves our day-to-day commute problems given the traffic that we have. So it's quite convenient to take throughout the city. It's a really good product, and I'm quite sure it's smashing the market already. Yeah. Darsh, before we end, I'd just like you to give a quick demo of the bicycle. Yeah.
so basically, this is the key. I will just switch on the cycle over here. Okay. So here we have our battery indicator. It will show how much battery we have over here. Okay. These are our electric brakes. So basically, the function is they come in place during the safety. Okay. So let's say you are going down the road and all of a sudden you have to brake due to something that comes in your place. There are chances that you might skid due to the excess acceleration. So to prevent that, we give electric brakes. So what do they do is, I'll just press this brake and I'll give you the accelerator over here. Okay. You see that the tire is not moving.
Right.
Okay. And when I just leave it, now I'll just give that action. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
This is
that's
a
a-
really cool safety.
Yeah, that's an electric brake. Then we have our horn and headlight over here. Okay. So this is our light, and that's the horn right there. Okay. And then we have a pedal assist mode. Okay. So once you pedal, it will give you on 1 or 2 pedals, it will give you a boost of 3 to 4 pedals. Okay. So it just really runs off, and due to that, you can save a lot of power, Okay, and due to which you can consume a lot of larger. You can go up till more range. That's why this gives you around 90 to 100 kilometers, and one charge on only pure pedal assist. If you use only pure pedal assist, that's when. Then it comes with a carrier. Okay. Uh, then this comes with a carrier. Okay, just for day-to-day purpose, the carrier can take a load up to around 40 kilos. Okay, it is equipped with a mudguard and the stand. It is also equipped with the dual disc brakes as well.
All right. Thanks a lot for the demo, Dash. It was really great talking to you.